Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So yesterday, Liquorose won the exclusive lounge cinema offer, right? And of course she was asked to pick 4 people who were going to join her in the movie date, right? And of course she chose Maria as one of them. But remember that Maria declined to go into the movie date with her, right? And now this afternoon we saw Liquorose, confronting Maria and asking her that why did she do that? Because,
Come on. I don't want to be around people I don't want to watch movies with. I know what I said. Which one is what the fuck?
Liquorose said that some of the housemates felt some type of way looking at the fact that Maria declined her own offer as her best friend. But Maria went on to say that, she was not in the mood for that, and that's one of the reasons why she declined it. And also, she didn't want to be in the movie with people who were going to be laughing in her face, looking at the fact that she was up for eviction. And of course, she also had a strike to deal with.
They'll be very alright. Very, very alright.
Just listen. And all that. I don't want you to give some type of thing.
I'm not feeling anyhow, but I just don't want irrelevant people laughing in my face anymore.
Moving on to my next gist. You remember the Big Brother yesterday gave Maria a strike for microphone infringements, right? And of course, he also gave Pere and JMK a strike. JMK's offense was the fact that she went into the jacuzzi with the microphone. So this afternoon, we see Maria in a diary session with Big Brother. And of course, she's telling Big Brother that, she's really sorry. And she doesn't know how that thing happened, how she told Pere to take off his mic. And of course, how she also took off her mic, telling Big Brother that she was not drunk and that she really, really apologizes for messing up.
To be honest, I wasn't drunk, and I don't know what got into my head to actually tell Pere that he should take off his mic. And this is coming from a place of deep down honesty. I don't know what I was thinking on Saturday, and completely I'm so sorry.
Now, this statement that Marie has just made, telling Big Brother that she wasn't drunk and that she doesn't know what came over her, and of course why she told Pere to take off his mic, contradicts what she told the housemates in the garden last night. So last night, in the whole sober atmosphere in the house, we heard Maria telling the housemates in the garden that, she was drunk, and of course she couldn't even remember that how on earth would she have told Pere to take off his mic, that she must have been drunk from everything she watched Big Brother play for them while he was addressing them.
I was high and drunk. You see that one that happened between me and Pere? I swear I must have been drunk. On God. How am I going to tell Pere to remove his stupid mic?
What were you talking about?
What did they even want to talk about that way?
As it stands right now, we do not know which of these statements are true. Now, if you remember vividly, yesterday Big Brother was playing them a video while he was addressing them after the Head of House challenge, right? And of course, while he was doing that, he played a part of a video where Maria was sitting in a towel, and of course, Pere was also sitting in a towel. And of course, you know that they will not go into the bathroom with their microphones. So as soon as they come outside of the house, most of them have lost their guards. I mean, they have let their guards down. They've forgotten the fact that they have to wear their microphones.
You are scrubbing about his big brother, Maria. This is a final microphone infringement warning.
And of course, we could hear Big Brother giving Maria and Pere a final microphone infringement warning. And here we see Maria telling Big Brother again that, she's not used to that pattern, as even this afternoon, she also still made that mistake.
I'm very unaware usually when I come out of the shower like that. I'm at fault every single day. Even after the whole strike, I did it again.
Moving on to my next gist, here we see Boma reporting Maria to Pere. How did that happen? You remember that last night Boma and Maria got into an argument about the fact that, Boma was laughing and all of that, and she was sleeping, right? And here we see Boma telling Pere that, this is a social gathering. I mean, why did you come to Big Brother house if you wanted a serene environment? You should have stayed back in your house rather than coming to our house and start telling people the way they should behave.
Why your audition? If you like to go, do you have to sleep now? Because you easily enter your skin, start to make friends for now. What do you want? You know, go talk to person, no talk.
Boma then went ahead to say that he was not even the only person talking. As of course, White Money was also in JMK's bed and they were also talking. And then we see Maria in the diary room having a conversation with Big Brother. And then she tells Big Brother that, last night it was a long night for all of them. And of course, while they were, trying to sort out their grocery shoppings and all of that, she went back into the room and everyone was tired. And then she had a very deep voice and a very deep laughter. And she had to tell Boma that, hey, what's up? She's really not being funny right now, that she needs them to, lower their voice. And then Boma was like, you know what? This is not your father's house. It's either you leave the show or you cover your ears. And this really got her pissed.
And I said to him, sorry guys, I'm not being funny, and I was really calm about it. He just went, this is not your father's house. Either you leave or you cover your ears or just go to bed.
Finally, in my gist, Maria's come out to say that the reason why she's giving Pere distance a little bit right now is because Pere is the most annoying person to her.
Pere is the most annoying person I have ever met. Like, honestly.
She says that she's very fond of Pere, right? And of course, she enjoys his company. But most of the time, Pere knows that she's got a very short temper. And of course, she flips within a short while. But he still does the things that annoy her.
I like being around him and stuff like that. But I just realised he actually just tries to, like, annoy me. He gets on my nerves.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please go to the comment section and let us continue conversations there. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bells and gadgets to get notified whenever I post a video. We're on all social media platforms on Facebook and Instagram, on Twitter, and of course on TikTok, and follow me at Femi Daniel. And until next time I come with you very soon, it's bye for now.